Hey guys, it's your buddy Caden, and welcome to this week's vlog. So if you guys watched last week's vlog, you would know that me and my dad were in Kelowna, Canada. And if you didn't watch it, make sure you go check it out. But me and my dad got off our flight from Kelowna at 6 in the morning. On Monday, we got picked up by my mom and Kennedy and went straight to the chiropractor at 8:30. So we had super limited sleep that we had on the airplane, but we had to get right into the next day.
Man, it's tight from here all the way through up in here. Yeah, I tell you, man, you clean the house there. You standing over there looking like Mr. T. Do you even know who Mr. T is?
I do.
You do? Okay. I thought about how young he is. I didn't know who Mr. T is. Said Mr. T, he's been a little icon for a while, hasn't he? Yeah. He had all those rings and that iconic hairstyle. All right, but man, you did it real good, man. Everybody's great. He's just happy about that. So you guys been making it all right?
Yes.
That is. All right, here. I'll let you come all the way up, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, you've been doing all day. Had to fight and then had to fight the plane. Come on in. All right, who we got next?
Here we go.
Money, making crap for money, money, and
So guys, today we're going to the optometrist just to get a checkup on how my eyes look. But this is my first eye appointment, so I'm not sure what to expect. Let's dive right into this.
Here, okay. I'm gonna give you this button, but you're gonna be mashing here. Okay. You're gonna have it come all the way up. You're gonna place your forehead right on the black thing. Okay. And I'm gonna gently just turn your head to the side. You should be seeing those little 4 red dots. Anytime you see a white dot or white floaters, any movements, you're gonna click that button. Okay. This is the first round. They only gonna be moving on the inside of the red dots first. And start. Place your chin in that cup, forehead touching the bar. Make sure your forehead is touching that bar all the way. And just keep looking straight at that green X. Keep your eyes big and wide. Focus on that green X. And hold that blink. Don't move, don't blink. Place that chin in the cup for me, forehead touching the bar. It's here just gonna keep measurements of your pressures of air. Keep looking straight ahead for me. Eyes big and wide.
Connor, give me your best guess, please.
OFLCT.
Good. Tell me which is clear, 1 or 2.
2.
2. Good. Can you read this line or give me your best guess?
TZVEC.
Good. Blood pressure. Blood vessels look intact. This is his right eye. This is his left.
So guys, I told you on my Instagram that I would tell you the results of all of this, and they said that I did really good on all my tests and I had 20/20 vision, but somehow I still need glasses. So I don't know how that really works. I guess it would help me a little bit for just things that are far away, but they said that I need to wear them all day, every day, at all times. But I'm probably only gonna wear them if it's something that I like really need, like if I'm at a conference or something where I need to read a board that's far away. But here are the 2 glasses that I picked out. guys, right now we are at the bus and I'm about to drive this thing. Right now I'm actually studying for my driver's permit with an actual vehicle, but the first vehicle I ever drove was my own bus. So now let's go back to this and let's drive it a little bit. So let's get this thing turned on. There we go, guys. Now we just gotta let it warm up, so come along with me. So guys, I know what rule number 1 and 2 is, but let's just go ahead and skip straight to number 3. Checking yourself out of the mirror. Now it's time for step 4. I'll put my foot on the brake here. Then we're gonna push the parking brake in. And now let's put this thing in the drive and slowly take my foot off the brake. Then we just start giving it some gas now. So right now, guys, we are at an event. I'm going to be speaking momentarily. There's a speaker before me now. We're going to be able to bring the kids out to the bus, and we're going to have a fantastic time here.
Number of years.
Read it one more time.
The advisory is about to rank.
Come on, guys, you can give me more energy than that. I'm super excited to be here with all of you today because according to society, I shouldn't be here. Being a 14-year-old African-American male speaking here in front of all of you, these are 3 of the things that I figured out. That it's easier to offer a product or service than it is to ask for money. We value things more when we've purchased them with our own money. And having a place to save money helps us learn to save and budget a ton. And what I mean by this is when you have a product or service, you can go out to different events. You can go to different events even like this. You can go to different conferences. You can go to so many different places and sell your products. And you can make a lot of income and money from that and also make impact from doing it. And we value things more when we've purchased them with our own money, because sometimes, like, your parents may buy you some shoes and you don't really care about how they look. You may crease them or just not take care of them, walk on the back of them. But trust me, when you buy your own shoes or your own things, you take care of those things like you did buy them. Because when you put your own sweat equity into things, that's when you really appreciate it. And having a place to save money helps us learn and save to budget a ton. Because when you have a place to save like a bank, you have a place to learn how to budget and save instead of just having all the cash stored in one place. So it's easier to budget there. I commit to earning a ton of money. I commit to budgeting all of my money. I commit to saving my money. I commit to investing my money. And I commit to securing the bag. Thank you, you guys. May all take a seat. Now you guys have been hearing me talk about the bus. I believe we're about to go out to the bus in a few. So we're gonna have an awesome time and all of you guys are gonna learn a lot on the bus. So I've had an awesome time speaking with you guys in here. And if you wanna connect with me, you can scan this QR code up here.
Thank you so much.
So now we are doing some classes on the bus and some different tours. So the kids are having a great time. You can see they're on their tablets and their books. So last week I showed you guys a little bit of footage of me speaking with one of my mentors, Dan Martell, but I have some better footage to show you guys, so you're about to see it right now.
All right, where did you fly in from?
I flew in from Atlanta.
Do you guys hear that? Where did you fly in from, Caden?
Atlanta.
Atlanta. That's wild.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
It's my pleasure. I always know that in order to learn, you do have to go places. You can't just stay in your same box.
You got it.
But my question for you is, I own my own company where I teach kids about financial literacy, and I started it when I was 7 years old. I have my own financial IP, like my toolbox that I have here, my financial curriculum, which is...
How old are you?
14. I have my financial curriculum here, which I'm slowly implementing.
This world is full. When people are like, I'm worried about the kids of these days, I'm like, I'm not worried.
Which in the curriculum, I'm implementing that into more schools. I own my own financial literacy bus, and I am a paid keynote speaker. So I've been able to speak for the White House, Forbes, Good Morning America,
Zero surprise, bro.
and so many other places. Thank you so much. So my question for you is, how can I scale my business to be able to create residual income?
Okay. What part of your business right now are you selling? Like, what do you monetize today? You do the keynotes.
Yeah.
What else do you sell?
So my financial IP, I have my bus, which I'm able to do classes on. And
you have the book, you have the game.
Yeah.
Okay. Here's the reality: is you already got the foundation. Okay.
Okay.
So like you said IP. That's a very advanced word. So you have intellectual property. The truth is your job is to create it and package it in a way that other people want it. So my question would be which organizations would want to license Caden's financial toolbox for their customer? When I say that, who do you think might want to license Caden's financial toolbox for their customer? What kind of customer might want that?
Schools or parents?
I'm going to give you the biggest one. They all want it. Banks.
Oh yeah.
Banks want it. Okay? Schools want it, parents want it for sure. But you know who's got the money?
The banks.
They got money. Banks got money. Everybody remember that. Banks got money. All right.
Unfortunately, I can't show you guys the rest of this conversation, but just know that he gave me some game-changing advice.
To have this box with the...
Well guys, that wraps up this week's vlog. I know it was a bit of a shorter one, but this was a fairly chill week. But I'll see you guys in the next vlog. And remember, if Caden can, you can too.